This is the 2018 Kawasaki Voyager VN 1700. Just a quick product review. On my other videos, I put in a few Polk Audio DB521 speakers. Front and rear, did a rear kit separately. Just performance-wise, just want to let you know, everything is working really well. Couldn't be happier. No amplifier. Have no problems going 70, 80 miles an hour. Still hear the radio perfectly fine, MP3 player, whatever you're listening to. With the 5 1/4 speakers, you get more bass out of the rears than you do the front. So I've actually turned mine so I've got more power to the rear. So I faded it to the rear a little bit just because I get a little more bass out of those, probably because of these little box enclosures. But either way, quite happy. I tried those kickers in there, didn't like the kickers. The factory are just unacceptable speakers. So the Polk Audio DB521 without an amplifier, without any other modifications, just adding speakers, definitely the way to go. That's a 93 dB sensitivity speaker, which basically means you're going to get 93 decibels at 1 watt. Efficiency wise, it's hard to beat 93 decibels at 1 watt. That efficiency is going to outperform power all day, every day. So the kickers, even though they had more wattage, did not have as good a sensitivity, which means overall performance wise they didn't perform as well. Again, I've got my bass set to 0. If I'm listening to classic rock, something like that, it sounds perfect. If I go into heavy metal or bass, I actually have to turn it back to -1 because again, you still just can't get bass out of a 5 1/4 inch speaker, not without making an enclosure of some sort. So overall, Polk Audio DB521, excellent choice of speakers for a factory radio. Fast and easy to upgrade and get 100% better sound out of your motorcycle. Please subscribe, like the video, hit me up if you have any questions or comments.